Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing Instagram login errors or the app isn't working properly, follow these comprehensive steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Verify your login credentials are correct. Double-check your username and password, paying attention to capitalization and special characters. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network-related. Step 3. Update the Instagram app. Go to your App Store and check for available updates. Outdated versions often cause login problems. Step 4. Clear Instagram cache and data. Go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data to remove corrupted files. Step 5. Check if Instagram servers are down. Visit downdetector.com or search Twitter for Instagram outage reports. Step 6. Try logging in through a web browser. Open Instagram.com to determine if the issue is app-specific. Step 7. Reset your Instagram password. Use the Forgot Password option to receive a reset link via email. Step 8. Disable VPN if you're using one. Some VPNs can interfere with Instagram security protocols. Step 9. Uninstall and reinstall the app. This ensures you have a clean installation without any corrupted files. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.